Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CoStar for comparable sales and market data, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official CoStar website. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type your password in the password field. Double-check the email and password for any typos. If you have a company-specific domain, make sure to select that option if applicable. Click the Login button to proceed. Wait for the page to load your CoStar dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. To access comparable sales, locate the Research tab. Hover over or click the Research tab to reveal additional options. Select Comparable Sales from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the Comparable Sales database. Use the provided search filters to narrow down your results. You can filter by location, property type, or transaction date. Enter your search criteria in the appropriate fields. Click the Search button to view the relevant results. Browse through the list of comparable sales that appear. For more detailed market data, return to the Research tab. Select Market Data from the drop-down menu. Review the available market reports and data analytics options. Choose the report that suits your research needs. Click on the report to delve deeper into the market data. Utilize the tools and graphs provided to analyze the data effectively. When finished, navigate back to your dashboard or log out. Ensure you log out securely, especially if using a public device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.